Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, Epic Taste USA. Today I'm going to show you a quick and delicious breakfast recipe made with just 2 potatoes and corn flour. This recipe is super easy to make and comes together in just a few minutes. If you have 2 potatoes and corn flour at home, you must give this recipe a try. It's crispy, tasty, and perfect for breakfast. Let me know how you like this recipe in the comments, and don't forget to tell me which country you're watching from. Now let's get started. Let's make a delicious breakfast with just 0.2 potatoes. First, I'll peel the potatoes.
Which country are you watching from? Comment below. I love connecting with you all. We're one big food family.
Peel, then set aside. Put the potatoes on one plate, the peels on another. Now grate both potatoes into a bowl. Now rinse the grated potatoes well. They're washed and ready. First, add the green chili stock, then add the cilantro. Add a teaspoon salt. add 1/2 cup corn flour. Mix well. Now add 3 tsp water and mix. Mix well by hand. It's done! Lightly grease the pan, then spread the potato mixture into a round shape. Cover and let it cook on low heat. After 15 minutes, flip it once golden and crispy.
Wow, so crispy, golden, and absolutely delicious.
Transfer to a plate. It's ready to serve. Our quick and delicious breakfast is ready. I hope you enjoy this easy recipe. Let me know what you think in the comments and tell me which country you're watching from. Your feedback means a lot and motivates me to create more easy and delicious recipes for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.